In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export code from Emergent AI. By the end, you'll know exactly how to move code from your Emergent workspace to your computer safely and efficiently. First, head to the Emergent AI website. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and log in so you can access your projects. Once you're on the home page, open the specific site or workspace you want to work with. This ensures you're in the right place before you try to export anything. At the top of the interface, look for the code option and click it. This brings you into the code view for your current project, where you'll see controls for accessing and exporting the files. Here you'll notice options to copy a link and, separately, to copy a password. These are typically used to open your project's code in a browser-based editor. If you choose to copy them, store them securely and avoid sharing them publicly. Treat them like credentials. Only use them where you intend to open the project and never paste them into untrusted places. If you prefer a quicker route, you can simply click Open in Browser. This will launch a web-based editor for your project, often a familiar VS Code style environment, without manually handling links or passwords. Give it a moment to load. Depending on your connection and project size, it might take a few seconds. Inside the browser editor, navigate to the file or folder you want to export. When you've found it, right-click and choose Download. If you're downloading a folder, the editor may bundle it for you, often as a zip file, to keep everything together. For single files, it will download that item directly. Your browser will then prompt you to choose a location on your computer. Pick a folder you can easily find. Your desktop or a dedicated project downloads folder works well. Then confirm to start the download. Keep the tab open while it completes. If the project is large, be patient and make sure you have a stable connection. Once the download finishes, locate the file on your computer and, if it's a zip, extract it before opening the code in your local editor. A quick check right now can save time later. Verify that the files and folders you expected are present and that paths look correct. That's it. You went to Emergent AI, opened your site, accessed the code view, used the provided link and password, or launched the browser editor directly, and then downloaded exactly what you needed. Thanks for watching, and happy building.